Hi. So you've submitted your application to USCIS and you've been waiting for a response and you finally received it. And that response is a request for evidence. Today, I want to talk about requests for evidence. I'm going to refer to them as RFE. So generally, when you submit an application to USCIS, you have the burden of proving that you're eligible for that benefit. This request for evidence usually follows because USCIS needs more information. Here are 3 of the reasons why your application may be denied after receiving an RFE. So 1, you did not respond in a timely fashion. Generally, that deadline is a strict deadline that they're looking to receive your response. Some people see it almost as a recommendation. It's not a recommendation. They're waiting for your response and plan on issuing a decision thereafter. If they don't receive that response, then they may deny your application because they don't have sufficient evidence to grant it. Also, keep in mind that with that deadline, let's say that the deadline is July 28th of 2023. That's the date that your response needs to be received by them, not sent out on your end. It needs to be received in their office. So keep that in mind when you're responding. There are also cases where a person did not receive that RFE. That's why it's very important that you update your address if you move, because you want to make sure you respond to that RFE as soon as you receive it before the deadline. 2, another reason that your application might be denied after you've received an RFE and you've responded is because you didn't respond to all of the questions. What I like to tell people is that if they're asking for 3 items, then you need to give them all 3, not just the ones you have. If there's a specific reason that you're not including one of those items, then you need to explain that. And the third reason, there's a possibility that you've responded and you've included everything that you have and can, and you've answered all of their questions, but you still do not meet the qualifications. If you need support in responding to this request for evidence, feel free to give me a call at the law office of Medon Governmental. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and or share this video. Thank you so much.